guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikki, and today's video is going to be more of a studio vlog. It's going to be a day in the life of how I run my Etsy business. I got a few orders today, and I thought I would show you how I make the earrings as well as package them and send them off to my customers. I hope to be doing more videos like this soon because I like to watch studio vlogs on YouTube of other Etsy owners or other business owners, you know, make their orders every day. And I think that it would just be fun to watch. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked the video, please like down below, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any comments, please leave a comment down below about the video or about the store or about anything, maybe future YouTube videos that you'd like to see. I do try to reply on every single comment that I receive, so I do appreciate them, and I wouldn't be here without you guys, so I'm super thankful and I'm very appreciative that I get to make videos and do jewelry and just have my own shop and be an entrepreneur. So if there's any way that I can help out with another potential entrepreneur, please let me know. And without further ado, I'd like to get into the video. Thanks guys, bye! So here I have my Etsy shop orders and shipping page open, and here under orders it says new 0. That's just because I've already printed out the shipping labels in order to protect my customers' addresses. So normally they would be here. So instead we're going to go to the completed tab, and I do have all of my orders open. Each day I like to look at all of them, see what is still in transit, and see what's been delivered or out for delivery. And then I go and I filter through just to the pre-transited ones, so that I can see what needs to go out for that day. After that's done, I then grab some 409 and some paper towels, and I start disinfecting and sanitizing my workspace. I had to switch gloves because those gloves were way too big. So those were brand new. These are also brand new, as you can quite see here. They were just too big for me, and how can you guys see anything if, like, how can you guys see anything? These are my 14 karat gold triangles, as well as the 14 karat gold, or I'm sorry, 14 karat gold filled triangles, and then the 14 karat gold filled earring backs right there. And then, like I said, we got 2 more cherries. So these have already been pre-done, like gone through before. So they should all be perfect. So got 4 right there for 2 pairs of earrings. Okay. Now for these earrings, one of them is gold filled. So we've got gold filled here. And then the other one is just the premium gold plated, which are different. So these are for more sensitive ears because they're 14 karat gold filled, and then these are just for the everyday ear. Now for me, each one is different. So I use my gold-plated I use my gold-plated jump rings for these ones, which are great. And then for the other ones, I have special gold-filled jump rings for the gold-filled earrings. So here we are. So with a lot of my earrings, my charms are actually all gold-filled. So they can be interchanged with any sort of earring hooks, such as these or these, so that way there's no irritation regardless. And then also I have a couple of these earring backs we're gonna just kind of throw here because sometimes they can kind of go to the wind. And then what I do is I go into my other drawer and I grab my 2 pairs of pliers. I like to do this like kind of like two-handed basically. Okay, then I open it. There we are. And then depending on which way it faces, I already know which way to angle the hook. So our next step, what I do is I have these little earring back cards. So this is how I'm gonna keep them. And then we're just gonna do it like, I know, I'm so sorry, the glove, hold on. I always have issues with the gloves because they're just slightly too long for my fingers. Okay, so we've got this. And then an earring back. So it is definitely more time consuming now simply because the gloves really do kind of hinder me. Like these are a size small, I believe, or maybe a size medium, but clearly it's still not small enough, so that's okay. And here we are here. Put that back on. And then I'll show you these, what these look like when they're done. These are my gold-filled cherry earrings, 14 karat gold-filled. I know it's not focusing. These are my 14 karat gold-filled cherries. These are some of my best sellers also. The triangle earrings, and then we got one more. These are my gold-plated earrings, my gold-plated cherries. I used to call them the red cherry earrings. I don't know why, but now they're just little cherry earrings. Sorry, again, I'm trying to fight the viewfinder on this one. So it's just kind of difficult. Maybe I'll grab another one. Ah, there we go. And again, I just like to verify that they are facing forward, just like that. And there we go, we got these three. They look super cute. And push those to the side here. I got my little muslin bags. These are already pre-stamped and everything. So here we are. I do have my little packages. These are all 100% recycled paper and also are recyclable with mixed paper. They're completely natural and they're pretty thick. They are heavier than what you would normally get as a bubble mailer, but I think it's definitely worth it because I am 100% recyclable, biodegradable, recycled. So that's very important to me. So I'm gonna grab these little things here, okay? And then I also have these really cute boxes. Grab one of these babies. So here is our business card right here. 23 North Jewelry. You can see all of our handles as well. We've got Depop, hashtag, as well as Instagram, Etsy, and Facebook, all right there. And then a little thank you in the back. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. I'm so appreciative of every single comment and subscriber that I have. I am so thankful that I get to do jewelry and that I get to own my own business, and I wouldn't be able to do any of it without you guys, and I'm so thankful. And I hope to be doing more videos like this soon. I'm gonna be posting a lot more on YouTube more often, not only because of Corona, but because I like to watch these kinds of videos on YouTube. So I hope that, you know, you guys get a little bit of enjoyment out of watching mine as well. So if you have any comments or concerns, please leave them down below or send me a message. If you have any ideas for a new video that you'd like to see, please also leave a comment down below. I do read almost every single comment and I try to reply to all of them as best or as quickly as I can. So I'm very, very thankful for you guys, and I am so appreciative, to say the least. So thank you so much. Until the next video. Thank you so much. Bye guys. Have a good day. Hold on. Now we're recording. Hey guys. Sorry. My name is Nikki and this is a test shot. Like of this on my website. All right, and it begins. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
2 pliers and then push them back together. There we go.